Morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back into this class. Today, we are on the day number 12, and we were discussing about the service portal. Now, I will take you to the next level, and let's go here and see this particular part. So now, if I open my portal, okay, and let's say I want to order something, I can go here and I can order, or might be I can search here. Laptop. Okay, let's say I want to be order this developer laptop. This whole concept is called the service catalog and the request management. Means what you want to show to your user and how they can order it. Okay, so on this particular screen, if you're able to see, this is a catalog item which is under a category called hardware, under a catalog called service catalog. I can fill the details. I can select. These are called the variables. These are not the entries in the request table or REQ table. These are the variables which stored in the variable tables. So I can select all these things. Order now. You can request the information on behalf of anybody else as well. Like you joined a new company and your manager is logging a request on your behalf. So you can change the name here. Let's say I can put just now. Checkout. Now the first thing which we're going to be discuss, how I can create my own catalog, my own category, and my own item. And then rest things will be pick up later. So as I say, these are three things. Catalog, category, and item. Okay. Now we'll go for catalog. It's called maintain catalog, categories, and items. Now start thinking from your application perspective as well. That if tomorrow you need to be create a catalog for your application, that what and how it will be look like. New name. Let's say I'm a trainer and I want to create a catalog for the training. Let's say LNG trainings. Who is manager? I can put my name as a manager, as admin. Who can edit this catalog? I'm not putting anybody. It means everybody can do this. Description. This is training catalog. If you want to put any image, you can put it. Okay. Now I will save this. Now let's go back here. Catalog. Browse by categories. Why my catalog is not appearing here? Any idea why my catalog is not appearing here? Josna, why it is not appearing here? Himanshu, Yashaswani, Akshay, बताओ, why my catalog is not appearing here?
As we have not added in that our catalog in that particular service where we need to add it, like we have service catalog categories, as we have not added in category.
Repeat answer. Repeat your answer. We did not.
As we have not added our catalog which you have just created in the category, in which category we need to add it.
Okay.
So if once
Okay.
we have added in any
So what
category,
need to?
it
So
will
what
be.
need to be do now? Tell me, Arafat. What need to be do now?
So I think we need to add our created catalog in the category.
Created catalog in no. Catalog, then category, then item.
Okay.
Chalo. So you say that Atul add a category, right? Then it will appear. This is what is your assumption, is your thought,
Yes.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Chalo. Chalo. Let's do this thing as well. Now I will go here and search for the maintain categories. Okay. Click on new title. Techno functional trading. Okay. Under which catalog? I want to add in the LNG trainings.
Really.
Okay, Rafat, that's fine.
Huh.
Happy? Chalo, ठीक है. I'm just putting this name description here. If you want to put any image, you can put. That's totally up to you. Okay. So let me put this and okay. Chalo. I accepted Arafat answer and I'm going back in this particular again. लो भैया अभी भी नहीं आया. It's not appearing still now.
Yes.
आपके सामने you say create a category. I created a category as well. Still not appearing.
We have created category. And we need to add our catalog in that category. Then it will show. Is it?
Where?
Uh, Already. I mean, there might be catalogs, categories, right?
नहीं.
Like
Wait.
hardware. Okay.
Arafat, wait. I come to you. Maybe I come to you. You're getting confused, Arafat, with the terms. Catalog, categories are two different things. A catalog can have multiple categories.
Hmm.
Okay. So first we create a catalog, then we create a category. It's not in the reverse order. Okay. That is the one part. You are thinking in the right direction, but your words are not correct here. I got your intention that we need to be add this catalog somewhere. But you're
Yes.
not getting that right answer that what is that somewhere? It is category, it is something else. Okay. Chalo, we'll take your answer later on. Yes, Mimi, go ahead.
Yeah, I think we need to add it to the service portal.
Service portal. Okay, chalo. Mimi says we need to be adding the service portal. I'll go here. Portals. Okay. This is what the portal we're using, LNG. Okay. And now we have to be add here. Right? This is the right place, maybe.
Yes,
Okay. Good
edit.
luck. This is the catalog appearing. So until unless you will not add a catalog into the service portal, it will not appear in the here. Okay, all catalog. Want to go more? But still it is not appearing here. Yes, anybody else? Why it is not appearing here? We have added, now it's showing all catalog, not showing the service catalog. It means half configuration has been done. Still something is missing. Any wild guesses? Why it is not appearing? So show. I tell you, I give one example. Let's say we all went for a dinner together. Okay. You got a menu card, right? In that menu, you got a menu for the main course. Okay. In that menu, you have a category called soup, desserts, snacks, salad, and gravy and juices. Now, under the juices, there's a nothing has been mentioned that what type of juice you can order. What will be your first reaction? What will be your first reaction? Tell me. You went to a restaurant, you got a menu card. In that menu card, there are 5 or 6 categories: dessert, soup, gravy, salad, and juice. All other categories have an item. Soup has a tomato soup, monchon soup. Salad has a green salad, yellow salad. Dessert has ice cream, gulab jamun kind of things. Gravy has a dal informations. But juice is having no item to be ordered. What you will say? Why this hotel added this category? Go ahead, Mimi.
So we need to create an item for that particular category.
When you can you repeat your answer, Mimi?
Yeah, I said we need to create an item, a catalog
Yes.
item for that category.
Yes. Josna, go ahead. Thanks, Mimi.
They didn't put the data yet for that particular option.
Okay. Yashaswini, you are also unmuted and muted yourself. What do you think?
Yeah, same thing. So without having items, there is no use of category of creating one such.
Then why this thought did not came in your mind when I say it is not appearing here?
Right. So without category items, catalog, if we create catalog also, it is not useful.
Without the items, none of the catalog, none of the category will appear here. It means every catalog must have one category minimum and one item minimum to be appear. So now we'll go back here. and maintain item and will new. So I'll put here CSA admin training. Under which catalog I want to be appear? I want to be make it in the my catalog called LNG. Which category I want to be appear? Techno-functional. Okay. And here, just leave these two things as of now. We'll come back on these things. Okay. Fulfillment automation level, unspecified. I guess this is something added newly in this particular one. Okay. Now let's do this part. Item detail. CSA admin. Techno-functional training. Copy this. Tick. Save it. Just basics. Not much we're going doing now. And refresh. Now your catalog is appearing here. This is your category and this is your item. Clear funda now? Everybody?
Yeah, clear.
So two things is important here. Number one is that you need to be add that catalog in the service portal so that it can appear. Number two, you need to be add minimum one category and one catalog item to appear that catalog into the service portal. Now let's do little decoration of this particular part. Let's do little makeup. For the makeup part, we have 5 fields. Sorry, 5 tabs here. Process engine. Leave it this as of now. We will pick up it tomorrow because for this we have to start the flow and a workflow part. Picture. You can add pictures which can be appear on this particular one. This is the cosmetic changes you can do. Pricing. How much you charge for this particular item, right? In catalog, in restaurant, when you go, every item has a price. So I say I charge 2000 GBP. Reoccurring price. If you order 5, the price can be for individual, it can be 200 more. How frequently? Daily, weekly, 2 weeks, monthly, quarterly, these things. So sometimes what happened mainly, let's say IT department giving a services to the HR department. And they say that if you are buying or taking a laptop from us, then you have to pay it for the recurring price on the weekly basis. So this is again depend on the business use case. If you want, you can put this information. If you don't want, means your business need, otherwise leave it. Portal settings. I'm not going to do these things here. It is your plus minus things. You can do it. Tick this box. Save it. Come here and refresh it. You will find some changes here. Cosmetics, it's nothing rocket science. Okay. Make this plus, sorry, true. Come here, save and come here, and you can find the changes. As the name indicates, similar is happening here. Okay, but now what is important? If I am a trainer and I want you guys please fill this catalog item so that I can get the details. We will create the variables. Click new. Remember that on the time of table creation, we have fields attribute, different type of attributes, data types. Similar concept is here as well. I want to take a single line text. Name. Okay. These two things you will try. Tooltip and example text. Give it a try. Easy to go. Okay. Annotation. You need more information. That plus icon came. Show help. I said yes. Always on load. I said yes. More information. Please contact. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा बड़ा कर देते हैं ताकि easy to recognize. ठीक. Type specification. It is kind of a display, way of displaying the things. So generally we take it as a system one. Default value. I said the default value should come LNG. ठीक. अच्छा आज मैंने होमवर्क किसी को नहीं दिया ना. Wait. Kurupa, take the homework for today. Everybody need to create minimum one catalog, 3 categories, and each category must have a 2 items. Number 1. Number 2, you need to be explore the images part and the portal settings on the catalog item level, which we just saw. Number 3, in at least 1 or 2 catalog items, you need to be use this auto populate functionality. How to use? Here to be checked. I'm not going to be do the spoon feeding for these things. Number 4, every item which are going to be create, minimum 4 different type of variables. Must contain 4 different type of variables. So now I am submit this. Now go back here, refresh. ठीक है. आ गई ये डिफॉल्ट टेक्स्ट जो मैंने लिखा था LNG. This is coming from a help which you just click here. यहाँ पे जब क्लिक करके हम लेके आए थे हेल्प में. These are the cosmetics one you can do. Let's create another one. One more variable will create and then we'll proceed further. ठीक है. This time I'll go for the date. Date of birth. ठीक. Try these options. Tooltip example text. This as add this as well group in the question. Okay. Try this annotation. Keep it like this. And this one. Sorry. Submit. Now come back here. Refresh. आ गया DOB. ठीक है. Clear. Anybody has any doubt question till this point? No doubt, no question. Good. Chalo.
Well, what is the
Now
second
I'll
question?
go ahead, Rahul.
What is the second question?
Second question. Second question means
Like second assignment, you said you have to explore.
that Krupa will tell you. She's
Okay.
taking the notes of the all questions. Okay. Mainly you need to explore these options. If I come back here. These questions, tooltip and default text, ghost. This is example text. These things you need to explore. Okay. Now just think logically. Let's say Darshil and Krupa open a restaurant together. Okay. They open the first restaurant in their native place. It went well, good progress, good income. They want to be extended. They connected with Salma and Seema. Hey, can you do the partnership with us? Yes, we can do the partnership. Now just think. If Salma and Seema is doing the partnership with Darshil and Kurupa, they need to create a new menu card. What is the best option here to create a menu card? Means better to take the base, which is already created one, right? And remove or add more items in that particular part. Correct? Or design from the scratch only. That is another option. Or let me change the example a little bit more. Let's say Akshay is a teacher in a school and he's teaching 4 classes: class 6, class 7, class 8, class 9. Okay. It is a half yearly exam time now. And he need to prepare the question paper for all these classes. Okay, he need to prepare the question paper for all these classes. What will be the common things in all question paper? What will be the common things in all question paper?
Questions. Exam
Institute
timing,
name,
Timings.
institute
What
name,
else?
marks,
Institute name. What else?
mark,
Marking. Okay.
Pattern of questions. Pattern of questions.
Pattern of
number of
questions. Okay.
questions, number of questions.
ठीक है. Good. This is what I was looking for. So, number one, the name of the school or the class, sorry, name of the school or the institute is on the top. The logo is on the top. Then the timings or this is timings for the this thing paper. That is again common for all the classes exams, 2 hours or 3 hours, which you can say. Now this concept is called the variable set, because he wanted to be create these variables again and again and again and again for individual papers. He can create a common on a one common sheet and tell to the printers one that boss, for every these 4 exams for this question paper, this is the top level stuff which common for everybody's, and same goes for the bottom level as well. Okay. So we create the variable set when we know that few are the variables which are common across multiple catalog items. Let's take example. IRCTC, that Indian Railway app. In the initially, you can just book railway tickets, but now you can book the air tickets as well. In both of the ticket booking, they have the common variables. Minimum नाम होगा, phone number, Gmail ID or email ID, right? These 3 things are common. So instead of creating these variables separately, better we create the variable as a set. Now we are going to create the variable set here. Let's go back here. And let's create a variable set. देखो ये रहा. Now it has a 2 type. Single row and multiple row. Sorry, multi-row. SRVS and MRVS. I want to go for the SRVS first. Show you an example. Means at a given point, I can add only one entry at a given at a time. So let's say I'm giving this set as a personal information. ठीक है. Layout 2 column white and save this. What variable you want, you can do this. Rest is same. Let's say I'm just putting something similar for the quick one. 100 to show you some example. Okay. 200. Then now come here and refresh. ठीक है जी, ये आ गया. Now I told to Josna, please get the information from all the participants of this batch. Their name, their gender, their address, and the qualification. Josna has 2 options. Number 1, she call everybody and ask this information one by one by one by one by one. If you are using the SRVS single row variable set, then you cannot add multiple entries in this area. You can add Josna Jain US. I want to add maybe's information the same one. I want to be at Seema's information. I want to be at Salma information. I want to be at Akshay, or for everybody in the same item in a one go. I can't add it because I'm using single row. But if I use I create one more new. Now I will use MRVS, multi-row variable set. And I can say income details. Check. And how I want like this way. You can try this part. Up to you. I say that these are the cosmetic things which you can try. And now I'm getting the variable. Order 100. Name like this. P name, participant name. Okay, I'm just putting this quickly just to show you something. Submit. One more. Again, I'm taking single line. Participant income. And submit. Come back. Refresh. आपको क्या लगा service now is very easy. It just start. And now Josna can take everybody information in a one go by MRVS. Click on add. Income 10. Name Josna. Add. Income 20. Name Salma Banu. Income 10. Name Seema Sakre. Add. Income 25. Akshay Parashar. Even if you want to edit information, you can click on this. नहीं इसका तो 40 है. You want to delete? Click on the cross and you'll get this option. You want to remove all? Click here. Got the point? Yes or no? Only Deepak and Salma saying yes. Good. Now, Kurupa, add this point as well. The catalog items you are creating for your practice, as I said, must have one MRVS and one SRVS, multi-row and single row. And now you can submit this. I want to change this order now to submit. I want that submit should be written here. Find out the way that how it can be done. Once this part has been done, now let's come back here. This is my catalog item, right? This has been done. Now, two things which is important. Available for and not available for. I'm sure that in this group, maximum are married one.
Oh,
Be maximum, I'm saying, not 100%. I know few that you are still enjoying your bachelor life. Okay, so 60% I'll take it as a merit one. Okay, and out of 60, 30 or 40% are the having kids as well. 1, 2 kids. Being a parent, sometimes we want to be hide few information, few things from our kids, specifically medicines. We keep the medicines or the sharp things like knife or scissors kind of things out of the reach of the kids by the time they get mature. Because if they use it, they can hurt it. Right? In the same manner, I don't want this catalog item should be visible to my other users other than batch 16 people. I don't want. I don't want these people should not able to see these things. So ServiceNow provide us an option called this is called the user criteria. तू मेरा दोस्त है, मैं तेरा दोस्त हूँ. क्यों? You are my friend, I'm your friend. Why? Because you give me a party and I give you the party. He's not my friend, so I will not invite him in my birthday party. मेरा birthday नहीं है अभी. Don't worry. ठीक है? So this is called the user criteria, available for and not available for. If we will not put any record in this or in this catalog item will be visible to. Sorry, this catalog item is visible for everybody. It's cold outside, so little bit feeling cold here. Okay. Dosing up. So if you did not fill any information in this area, then it will be visible for everybody. If you put only information that available for, then it will be visible only to those users, not to anybody else. And if you're expecting me to be show a demo, I will not show. You remember that when we did the exercise, creating the users group rule. Remember that or still forget?
Yes.
Remember now? So that was the purpose of that exercise. Now use that group in these areas. How to use is your homework. That is when I said that if you're not doing your exercise on time, you're missing the things. So if everybody created 5 or 10 groups that time, now you can use that groups in available for and not available for. So just to be show you something here, available for and available for work for users, group, role, company, location, and department. How it work is your homework. I want this thing to be done because you're not new here. You're mature guys now. 10 days course ho gaya hai, you know the things and explore the things. Do by yourself, ask in the group, take people help. I don't bother. But you have to explore this. ठीक, let me come back here. ठीक है जी, यहां तक हो गया सब क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? डाउट, क्वेश्चन, क्लैरिफिकेशन? दीपक बहुत ठेंगा दिखा रहे हो, फंस जाओगे, ध्यान रखना। गुड, सलम इज ऑल्सो एक्साइटेड, क्लियर हो गया। नाउ लेट्स, बिफोर आई क्लोज फॉर टुडेस कॉल, लेट्स गो बैक टू सम बेसिक्स वन। ठीक है, दिस इज द फर्स्ट वे टू क्रिएट अ कैटलॉग आइटम। ठीक है, वी जस्ट लेफ्ट विद द प्रोसेस इंजन which you pick up tomorrow. Now come back here. All catalogs. ठीक है, hardware, mobile, 13 Pro. You can see these things. This is nothing but description, short description, variables. These are all the variables only. So I'm putting yes. Oh, let's put no. I need 500 gold. This. Tick and order now. Check out. Till the time what you see is the front end. That how an item can be designed, how an item can be presented to the user, and how a user can order an item. Take example, you order something from the e-commerce website. Tick. You got a message. Thank you so much for your order. It will be delivered on time. Tick. Now, to get that product delivered to you, there must be a step. Or if I say, okay, guys, tell me, what are the steps involved to make a cup of tea? बताओ जरा।
चाय पत्ती,
How to make a cup of tea? अरे सब शर्मारो जैसे किसी ने बनाई नहीं। Everybody make a cup of tea.
We just boil some water and put it on gas. Turn on the gas and then
milk, and
put the pan,
Okay.
milk,
बस.
sugar, tea
Okay.
tea
leaves.
powder.
Okay.
powder.
Okay. फिर हो गया ज्योत्सना?
And then we boil it.
Okay.
We'll wait for 2-3 boils and then
Okay.
if it's ready,
Then.
then we'll put it in the cups.
Okay. Then. अब कब तो खुद तो चल के आएंगे नहीं आपके पास कि आओ मैं
Somebody
बन गया।
already said they drink. They are drinking.
Anybody else? Anybody else? Jyotsna, try these steps at your side. What you said. Don't add anything new in these steps. And just let me know your feedback tomorrow that are you able to make a cup of tea or not.
Okay.
Only those steps which you told me. Okay, because this question is very specific. It's very specific here. You say, Atul, take a
Turn on the gas and take a pan and put water.
हाँ, put water. कहाँ से लाओगे पानी? From where you will bring the water?
Oh, okay. From the tap, obviously.
Water can.
So वो कौन बताएगा?
Okay.
It's a flow, right? When you were kid, I were kid, we were kid, how our mom teach us to make a cup of tea. Beta, go in the kitchen, take that round fry pan, okay, put on the gas, Now open the tap, take a glass, fill the half glass of water, close the tap, put that water in the fry pan. Now switch on the gas on number 3, wait for 3 minutes, it will get boiled. Now go to the second shelf, take a that one box of sugar and box of tea.
Tea powder.
Take 1 spoon of sugar, take 1 spoon of tea, put in the pan and wait for 3 minutes to boil. Now go to fridge, get that fry pan, put that half glass of milk in that glass, bring it to the gas, put that milk in the fry pan. Now boil for 3 more minutes. Now when boiling has been done, switch off the gas, take that pan and bring that to the glasses and put the tea in the glass. Put in the tray and then serve it to the me and Papa. Now, what is the difference between your flow and my flow?
The start to end.
You,
Said
you
Because
covered each and every step, and you just told the sources also where the things are coming from, and then when
this is what the
from there
flow
to
says. You said, okay, on the gas, put the water. How my system will know that what need to be do now? You are saying because you have experience now. Might be in a single day you prepare 2, 3, 4 times of the tea. So you skip the things. But do you think that my system is so intelligent? I have to be giving instructions to my system, right? That do this, do this, do this, do this. Correct?
yeah.
I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm saying being a consultant, you should not assume anything that person know. I invited you and your husband at my home. I said, guys, I'm getting ready. Can you make a cup of tea? What you will say, Atul, where is the fry pan? Which tap I should use, left or right? Where is the milk bottle? You will ask everything, right?
Yeah,
Or
correct.
I will assume that Josna know everything in my house. Only when, if you are my family friend and you are coming to my house very frequently and you know everything about my house, then I assume. Otherwise, I will not assume. If you go to someone house first time, let's say your kid want to go for washroom. What do you say? Hey, where's the washroom? He want to go to washroom or she want to go to washroom because you don't know about that particular part. So now, as soon as we order a product, now let's go back in the backend perspective. When you submit a catalog item from the portal, it generates 3 records: REQ, RITM, and SC task. I am ordering something from e-commerce website. My order number is REQ. You go to the restaurant, you ordered multiple things: soup, desserts, gravy, chapati, salad. Did you get the individual bill for each item? No. The print is one, right? The table number or the order number is one, right? Or wrong? अरे yes, you know तो बोलो.
Right, right.
Yeah, right.
Yes, that's
Right?
correct.
Right.
So that is what is your
Yeah.
REQ. Your order number is your REQ. Under that order number, we have a different items: 2 soups, 2 ice creams, 2 gravies. This is my RITMs. Josna ordered soup. It took 10 minutes to deliver it, to serve it. Josna's daughter ordered ice cream. It get in a 2 minutes. Why there is a difference? Why there's a difference?
Soup they have to prepare, and ice cream is kind of ready to eat.
Perfectly fine. It means every item have a different steps to be followed. Correct? This is what you want to say, Yashaswini, right?
Yes, correct.
That is called catalog task. Till this time, what you see is this part is called service catalog. And now we're going to be see the request management. When a customer enter into the restaurant, from there till that customer go out from the restaurant, there is a process to be followed. For every customer, the process is same. Come, sit, serve the water, get the order, deliver the order, get the bill, pay the bill, and out. Items can be different for every order. So now, if you see, my REQ has been generated. Come and search here. Every REQ must have a one RITM minimum. अभी क्या कहना है? Pending approval. ठीक है? I'm going. I can see approval is here. Eric. Right click and approve. ठीक है? ये हो गया approve. My RAQ has been approved. This is my item which I order. मैंने तो ये order किया ना? Right? RITM. State is pending. थोड़ा हाई लेवल पे है, मैं रुको, अभी तो कंफ्यूजन होगा. And this is a task. I was talking about this thing, SC task. How this task get generated? ये जो टॉपिक है ना, कैटलॉग एंड रिक्वेस्ट मैनेजमेंट, इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट टॉपिक. इज वन ऑफ माय वेरी फेवरेट टॉपिक. बताइए, now the task has been generated. Let me open this task and close. ठीक है? अरे एक और टास्क बन गया. मैंने तो नहीं बनाया, मैंने तो कुछ नहीं किया, I did nothing. It's getting created. चलो, let's see. Close. One more task. देखो, भी सोचो क्या क्या हो रहा है अभी तो. Close. One more task. And now my item completed. आपने खाना खाया? Yes. All items delivered? Yes. Bill paid? Yes. Now get out from my restaurant. Now the question come, how this task get generated? How this approval get generated? This is what we're going to be start tomorrow. ठीक है? While doing this part, remember the example of making a cup of tea. And I'm sure, Josna, you remember this example for a lifelong now. That everything is important in the flow. You know that when I started my this thing, I done my BCom, and after that, to surprise you all, I done my MCA. A very deadly, or very boring, or very weird combination, I can say. The day one in the computers, it was a topic. What is a flow chart? What is a flow? That time I learned one thing, which my teacher told me. Don't assume that other person know the complete flow. In a flow, we mention each and everything. Do this, do this, do this, do this, do this. If you don't want to mention each and everything, then you have to prepare the SOPs, standard operating procedures, which includes more deep level information about that particular activity or that task. Okay. So this flow will be bread and butter for us for tomorrow class. Don't take a leave for tomorrow. I'm requesting everybody, because tomorrow topic is going to be a little different. And we will start with the flow designer, not with the workflow this time. There are two concepts, workflow and the flow. We'll start with the flow because nowadays, not nowadays, mainly I can say, from last few releases, flow is more important than the workflow. ठीक है? Kurupa, all questions set?
Yes.
Good. Any last question, doubt, clarification, anybody before I stop the recording for today? Okay. And tomorrow we have a class test as well. Good, Akshay.
Sir, yesterday you said that I have to discover about the service portal.
Yes.
So on out of the box service portal, there is a text how we can help. So you say that we have to explore that how can we change it. So I create a custom portal with Batch16, and there is also a text how we can help. But I cannot change it. So how can we change it?
रुको जरा. We will see. These questions will come in the class test. Don't worry. Okay. Don't worry, Akshay. We'll pick up these questions. अभी तो class है. For 3 or 4 more weeks, it will go at least. So we'll pick up these questions to be answered this required. Don't worry. Try to find out. Try to search on the Google, on the community, ServiceNow community.
Okay.
You'll find out the answer. Or to make it little easy for you. अब तुमने क्वेश्चन पूछा तो I'll give you. Control, right click. Explore these options. Control and right click.
Okay, तो
इसमें से कहीं आपको कुछ ऑप्शन मिल जाएगा. Give a try on that particular part. Okay.
Okay.
Till let me stop the recording and take a quick attendance now.